Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I want to welcome you to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people with helpful information about Georgia workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under that law. Today I want to talk to you about whether you can appeal a denial of your workers' compensation claim. Before I talk about that, let's first talk about what a denial of your workers' compensation claim is. When the workers' compensation insurance company denies your claim, you're supposed to file a document called a controvert. Controvert is basically a fancy word for denial. There should be a written document that you receive that says they're denying your claim or some part of your claim. But often, when your claim is denied, the insurance company doesn't file this document. I've seen many cases where it just doesn't happen. How you may become aware of a denial is that you get an email from the insurance company or a letter from them saying your claim is being denied. Or maybe you're just speaking with the insurance adjuster over the phone and they say they're going to deny your claim. Or you may just hear nothing at all. Your claim may be denied just because you're not hearing anything and they're not paying the benefits that they're supposed to pay. As I mentioned just a minute ago, denial of your claim can be a total denial, them claiming that they don't owe anything, that your injury is not work related or something like that. Or it may be a partial denial of just some benefit that you receive under workers' compensation. Now that we know what a denial is, let's talk about whether you can appeal a denial of your workers' compensation claim. Yes, you can appeal a denial of your workers' compensation claim. The main way that appeals are done is usually by requesting a hearing and going to court in front of a workers' compensation judge and presenting your case to prove to the judge that the insurance company is wrong when they deny your claim. It should be accepted. So how do you go about appealing the denial? Well, if you want to request a hearing in a workers' compensation claim, the most common way to do that is by filing what's called a Form WC-14 hearing request, where you can request a hearing about the denial of your claim and indicate the benefits that you should receive. However, if your claim has been denied and you're considering appealing it, I would certainly recommend that you talk to an attorney before you go about just filing a Form WC-14 requesting a hearing on your case. It's important to get information from an attorney about whether filing a hearing request is the right way to appeal denial of your claim, or whether other approaches should be taken first before you do that. Sometimes it may not be the right method to request a hearing, or there may be other important things to do before the hearing request is actually filed. So I'd certainly recommend, again, if your claim has been denied and you want to look into appealing it, talk to an attorney before you actually go about requesting a hearing or appealing that denial. I hope you found this information about whether you can appeal a denial of your workers' compensation claim helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you do have questions about the denial of your claim or any other questions about workers' compensation, I encourage you to reach out to me and schedule a free consultation about your case. I'd be happy to speak with you. There's two easy ways you can set that consultation up. First is by calling us at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. The other is by reaching out to us through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. And you can click on and submit the free consultation request form. And a member of our workers' compensation team will reach out to you and get that consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. And I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.